Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Steam account to Discord. So all you have to do is simply launch the Discord application on your PC and sign into your account. And then from here, simply click on the settings icon next to your profile at the bottom. So click on that icon. And then all you have to do is simply click on connections. And then within the connections, find this option, add accounts to your profile. And then all you have to do is click on this arrow to view more. And then from these icons, simply find the Steam icon. So here it is. So click on it. And then once you select it, it will launch a web browser. So all you have to do is simply sign into your account. So let me just do that. Now, once you sign into your account, so let me just retry that again. Once you sign into your account, you should get to this option. So sign in into discord.com using your Steam account. So is this your Steam account? So if it's so, all you have to do is simply click on sign in. And then give it a few seconds. And then you should see connected to your Steam account to Discord. So once you're done, simply close that. And then once you go back, you can now see your Steam account has been connected to Discord. So that's basically it on how to add your Steam account on Discord. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.